Hi you guys, this is Tat Chanel and I'm back with another video. Today's video is a unboxing inventory haul, but I have a disclaimer. I already opened the box yesterday for my TikTok and it failed. So we're doing another unboxing redo because it failed yesterday on TikTok. So if you follow us, you will know it failed because I posted it. But if you don't, just head over to Egyptian Eat Collection. It should pop up. Thank you. Alright, so let's bring out the goodies. So first thing we have is we have like our mixing bowls. So these are going to be used for another item I am bringing out, but that's not going to be so long, but I cannot speak on it because it's a surprise for my baby. So that's that. This is what I tried to do. I tried to like put it back the way they had it, but I guess it's the way they had it because it fits now. It didn't fit yesterday, and plus it broke when I tried to fix it yesterday. So I said, oh yeah, I'ma just do what it do to fit it back in there. You see I'm struggling, so that's that. I just taped it later on. Next item. Say these. If y'all get these, you're busted. Say these. These will be good for packaging your order. It will be like a little cushion that y'all could put. Okay. Got my syringes because the last syringes I had got, it was too much and it irritated my soul. So y'all, that was a bad breaking up on my end. Oh, in the back, I'm at church. I'm on church online. So these are the 20mm syringes. They're very small, but they will get the job done. Okay, I'm not mad. They will get the job done. So I'm going to show y'all the difference. So this is a 20mm syringe too. So like I said, they will get the job done. Okay, I got some more of the 20mm syringes. And if you look at the start of a lip gloss business, then watch this inventory haul because I basically ordered like lip gloss stuff and other stuff I'm bringing out. So I have my pigments from Amazon. I ordered the 30 pigments. So the pigments I ordered. Okay. And it came with a little scooper inside. I got my gloves. Yes, it's so small, but I got them and they're large and they're latex and powder free. If you're allergic to latex, please get the non-latex and the non-powder, the free powder. So you won't have to worry about powder. That's in that box. The next box, I got my oils, and when y'all shopping for oils for lip gloss, please get the fractionated coconut oil. And whatever other oil you're gonna get, I got grapeseed oil. Y'all, this right here. I'm about to say, y'all, this opened up yesterday. Sunflower oil for my secret that I'm going to be using in there. Got that. got the golden jojoba oil. First time I ever heard of it being golden, and I've seen a lot on other people's like websites, so I'm gonna try it out. I didn't open this one. I guess this is a unboxing, because I didn't open the one box. He better preach. He best to preach. Told y'all I'm in church, y'all. Amen. Alright, we gotta open. Oh, it's a 2-for-2 deal. So I got sweet almond oil. Oh, and this dropper. Wait. They put me a dropper in there. Y'all, I'm glad I checked this stuff. Okay, yeah. It's just sitting awkwardly. Okay. That's it. Y'all know y'all gotta check behind people. They like to send you stuff and you just be lost. In here is lip gloss storage container. So making lip gloss, put them in here, storage them, bada boom. I'm gonna show you an example of what I mean. This is heat. I storage heat in there. See how it is? I storage heat in there. So this is Pink Marie. I storage Pink Marie in there. Alright. So yeah, it comes in different sizes. I think that was the medium. This is the small. Here go the large ones. Yeah. That's for my lip gloss. And last but not certainly, my jars for my secret that I told y'all. I can't pronounce yet because in the next relaunch, that's when I will announce it. Not relaunch, but the next launch we do, it will be announced. So that is it for this unboxing. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos from me. And please subscribe because you know what? If you don't, how you know I'm posting? How you know I'm going to be up there? YouTube, I'm trying to get better on being consistent. Consistent is my problem. I'm going to be a woman about it. I have bad consistency problems. Like, I could post a video and it won't post no more. But I need to get started on that if I want to be real serious. I need to get real serious into this YouTube thing and to be consistent in my business. I really do. So, more things is coming, y'all. I'm ordering and over-ordering so I can be consistent, so I can get content out for y'all. It's coming. Gotta have my Starbucks. Alright, babe. Bye.